Good afternoon, Ma. So, in the previous class, we discussed about three variable K-map for sum of product expressions. Okay, Ma. So, now we are doing the three variables K-map for POS terms. That means product of sum. Okay, Ma. So, here the problem is here map the expression that is a plus b plus c into a bar plus b plus c bar into a bar plus b bar plus c bar into a plus b bar plus c bar into a bar plus b bar plus c. Okay, this is the function given. Okay, by observing this only we know this is belongs to product of sums. Okay, ma. Now we are simplifying this expression by using K-map. Okay. Now we are simplifying this expression by using K-map. Okay. By observing this, we know here three variables are there. Okay, ma. Three variables are there. So here given product of sum terms. Okay, ma. Product of sum terms. That means POS. So for POS, what is the general K-map? Write down the general K-map for POS. Okay, that is here the variables are A, B, C. Okay, ma. The variables are A, B, C. Here A, this side B, C. Okay, ma. So 0, A is 0 and 1. 0 means this is product of some terms, amma. Okay, na? That's why here 0 means this is belongs to A. Okay. A equal to 1 means that will be represented as A bar. Okay. Are you remember? So here 0, 0. Zero, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, ma. Here, if 0 is there, then that will be represented in uncomplemented form. 1 is there, then that will be complemented form in POS terms. That's why, what is this combination here? So, in this first cell, A is 0. That's why A plus B is 0, C is 0. That's why uncomplemented form. A plus B plus C. Okay, ma? A plus B plus C. Next cell. A is 0. That's why A plus B is 0. So uncomplemented. Plus B plus C. C is 1. Okay, ma, C is 1. That's why that will be taking in complemented form. So C bar. Okay. Next A is 0. So A. B is 1. C is 1. That's why A plus B bar plus C bar. Are you understand how to write this expression in the corresponding cell? A is 0, that's why A, plus B is 1. B is 1 means complemented form. So B bar plus C. Okay. Next A is 1, that is A bar, plus B is 0, C is 0. So plus B plus C. Okay. Next A is 1, that is A bar, plus B is 0, that is B. C is 1. So C bar. Okay, ma? Next here A bar plus B is 1, B bar plus C is 1, C bar. Okay, ma? Next A is 1, A bar plus B is 1, B bar plus C is 0, that is C. Okay, ma? These are the expressions we are getting in each cell. Okay, now you will be giving the values. This cell belongs to 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, 0, 1, 5, 1, 1, 1, 7, 1, 1, 0, 6. As usual, we write the values for each cell. Okay, now you will be taking this expression. This is the expression giving. Okay, ma? This is the expression giving. So in this expression, we are putting zeros. Okay, so where the combinations will be getting at that corresponding cell, we are putting zeros here. Okay, now write the Karnaugh map for the corresponding expression. Okay. A is here. B, C. Okay, ma? A is 0, 1. B, C. Two variables are there. So the combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now take the expression here. In this, the first term is A plus B plus C. In that place, we are putting 0. Okay, ma? This corresponding cell. A bar plus B plus C bar. Where that will be A bar plus B plus C bar. This is 101 combination. So here also we are putting 0. Okay. Next to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So that is 7. So here also we are putting 1. Okay. Next A plus B bar plus C bar. That is 0, 1, 1. That is 3. Here also we are putting 0. Are you understand? A bar plus B bar plus C. That is 1, 1, 0. Okay, that is 6. So here. Okay, already the general K-map is here. Based on this only we are getting this. So for each term, we are putting zeros in the corresponding cells. Okay. Now we are grouping the adjacent zeros. Is there any octet possible? Octet in the sense 8 zeros are there? No. Is there any quad is possible? Quad means 4 zeros. 4 adjacent zeros are here? No. Okay. Observe here. Observe this K map. Is there any possibility? No. So compulsory here only possibility is pair. So how the pairs will be formed? Okay. So this is one group. Group 1. Okay. Here only 2 zeros or 4 zeros or 8 zeros. 8 zeros are not possible. 4 zeros are also not possible. Only pairs. Okay, ma? Next. These two. Okay. This is group 2. Okay, ma? Next, this. This is group 3. Okay. So what about this? This is only one separate. Okay, this will be taking as group 4. Okay. Now the simplified expression F is equal to C1 C2 dot here C3 C4. Okay, ma? Actually, here the expression here the problem is map the expression. Map the expression. Depending on the problem, we are doing. Okay, ma? Map the expression. This is the expression given. So based on this, you will write this K map. Up to this sufficient. Okay, ma? Then you will be taking the groups. Okay. So in this way, we are doing the problem based on product of sums. Okay. That's why here. So F is equal to C1, C2. If the problem is given, simplify this by using K-map, then we are doing this. Okay. So G4. So what about G1 here? What about G1 is this group. Okay. At this group, what is A value? What is A value? A value is 1. That means here this is A. This is A bar. Okay, ma? So here this is B plus C. B is 0, C is 0. That's why this is B plus C. Okay, now like that. So this is B plus C bar. This is B bar plus C bar. This is B bar plus C. Okay. Now G1. G1 means here the A value is A bar. So A bar A bar. What about BC values here? So 1 1 1 1 1 0. Take group 1. Group 1 belongs to 1 1 1 0. Which is common here? 1 is common. That 1 is belongs to which variable? For B variable. Okay, ma? For B variable. B is equal to 1 means here we are writing as B bar. Okay? B is 1. That's why B bar. So group 1. For group 1, we are getting this. Okay? Next, take group 2. Group 2. Here, this is group 2. Okay? This is group 2. So what about A values here? A plus A bar. Both are covered, this group 2. So that's why A variable becomes 1. What about BC values? B is 1, C is 1. That's why B bar plus C bar. Okay, Amma? This is group 2. What about group 3? What about group 3? This is group 3. Okay? Here, what is A value? A bar. So, A bar. What about B and C? So, this group contains what are the values? This group means this 0, 1 and 1, 1. Okay? So, which is common? 0, 1, 1, 1. This one is common. Okay? That is belongs to C variable. C is 1 means that represents as C bar. Okay? So, this is group 3 combination. Okay? What about group 4? Here no pair is possible. So, what about this? Into, so that is A bar. A is 0. That's why A bar plus B is 0. C is 0. Sorry, here A. Sorry, Amma. A is 0. That's why uncomplemented form. A plus B is 0. C is 0. That's why B plus C is also 0. C. Okay, Amma? So in this way, we simplify the expression. Actually, this is the given expression, POS expression. So by simplifying, by using the K map, then we are getting this is the result. Okay, ma? Are you understand how to get the result here? Okay. Now we are doing another problem based on this. Okay. That is here. Show the problem is show the truth table. Show the truth table for each of the following functions. For each of the following functions and find is simplest POS form and find its simplest POS form. Okay, ma. Here the functions are the functions given here. F of XYZ is equal to XY plus XZ. Okay. Next, in this only B problem, that is F of X, Y, Z is equal to X bar plus YZ bar. Okay, ma. First, see the problem which is given and which is required here. Okay, show the truth table for each here, each of the following functions and find its simplest POS form. Here POS form is given. Okay, so that is product of sum. Okay, ma, that's why here we are changing these expressions into, see here in PO, actually by observing this, this is like a sum of products form. But here in the problem, this is given in POS form. That's why this is first converted into POS. How? Just to see the two terms which is common here. X is common. That's why take X as common. Then what is the remaining values in the first term? Y plus, what is the remaining value in the second term? Z. So X into Y plus Z. So then it becomes POS form. Okay. Here we are writing the truth table also. Okay. Truth table also. So how to write this actually? The second problem, how to write X bar plus YZ bar means, according to Boolean laws, distributive law, this expression will be writes as X bar plus Y, X bar, see the distributive law, okay, which is covered in previous classes, okay, X bar plus Y into X bar plus Z bar, okay. So are you, this belongs to POS form or not? Yes, POS form. Okay, now we are doing the problems. Okay, just you will be getting this idea. Okay, then this is very easy to do. Okay, now take the first one, that is f of x comma y comma z is equal to f is equal to x into y plus z. In this problem, given truth table also draw. Okay, that's why you draw the table also. Okay, by using the table, we draw the corner map here. Okay, by using the table, we draw the corner map. That is very easy. Okay, otherwise how to do this? First, this will be if you write the K map, then compulsory you know the X value, Y value, Z value. Then only you will take the K-map. That means first this will be converted into standard POS form. Okay. Actually, by taking the K-map, compulsory each cell having the combination X, Y, Z. Okay. Here, if you take the first term, this is only X. Here, Y is missing, Z is missing. If you take the second term, here X is missing. Okay. That's why this is converted into standard POS form. Okay. Standard POS form. And in that way also doing. Otherwise, you do by using the truth table also. Okay. But here in the problem, especially given by using the truth table for each of the following functions. That's why draw the truth table. Okay, Amma? Draw the truth table. Here we are doing two methods. One method is, this is converted into standard POS form. Okay, that is one method, and do the corner map. Otherwise, draw the truth table and do the corner map. Okay, how to draw the truth table? Here we are having three variables. So, X, Y, Z. If you are having three variables, how many combinations you will be getting? 0, 0, 0. Okay? 0, 0, 1. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1. So X into Y plus Z. That means first you take Y plus Z. Okay. Y plus Z. Y plus Z means which operation we are doing here? OR gate operation. OR gate means any one of the input is 1, then the output is 1. That's why 0, 0, that is 0. Okay. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Only observe Y value and Z value. Here we are taking OR operation between Y and Z. Okay. 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 1. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. Okay. Now, X, actually, what is the function? X into Y plus Z. How to get this? Do the AND operation. X into Y plus Z means AND operation we are doing. AND operation between X, Y plus Z. Okay. So what is the AND operation? If all of the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Okay. So here X is 0, Y plus Z is 0. So 0. Next 0 dot 1. That is also 0. Okay. Next 0 dot 1. That is also 0. Next 0 dot 1. That is also 0. 1 dot 0. So 0. 1 dot 1. 1. 1 dot 1. 1. 1 dot 1. 1. Okay, ma? So write the truth table. So now draw the corner map. How to draw the corner map? Here this is belongs to product of sums. Okay, ma? This is belongs to product of sums. That's why we concentrate on zeros. Okay, we concentrate on zeros. Sum of products means we concentrate on ones. Product of sums means we concentrate on zeros. Okay, that's why here three variable K-map is used. The variables are X, Y, Z. Okay, so here X value is 0, that is X. X value is 1, that is X bar. Okay, YZ values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this is the 3 variable K map. Write the values here. So each cell, this is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Okay, now observe the truth table here. Observe the truth table. So at this truth table, here we are putting zeros in the corresponding cell. Actually, this is 0. Okay, this combination is 1. This combination is 2. This combination is 3. Okay, this combination is 4, 5. Okay, 0 to 7. Are you remember? So here at which places we are getting zeros? At 0, 0. At 1, 0. At 2, 0. At 3, 0. Next, at 4, 0. Okay, only zeros are considered for product of sum terms. Okay, so now is there any grouping here? Now grouping. So how to group this? Is there any octet possible? 8 zeros are here? No. So is there any quad is possible? Yes. So which is quad? So this is quad. 4 adjacent zeros are here. So this is group 1. Okay, ma? This is belongs to group 1. So is there any quad? No. So is there any pair possible? So this is pair. Okay. This is group 2. Okay. Now the function is equal to group 1 dot group 2. Okay. Group 1 dot group 2. Now we are doing for group 1 and group 2. Okay, Amma? For group 1, what is A value? Sorry, X. What is X value? Here X is 0 means this is X. This is X bar. POS terms, that's why. So X is 0. That's why X. What about YZ values? What about YZ values? Here, all combinations are covered. That's why that value is 1. Okay, ma? So, leave it. Dot. What about G2? What about G2? G2 means this group. Here, X plus X bar. Both are covered. X plus X bar becomes 1. Here, YZ values are 0, 0. That's why Y plus Z. Okay? X dot Y plus Z. Actually, we are getting the same. Okay, Amma? See here. Show the truth table for each of the following functions and find its simplest POS form. Okay, are you prove this? So whatever the input is given, the same will be getting at output. That's why we are showing. Hence proved. Okay, Amma? Hence proved. Okay, by using the truth table. Okay, we write the truth table and we are proving this is the simplest POS form. Suppose if you change this as standard POS, then we are getting this is as the simplest form. Okay, ma? So the same will be applied for this also. Okay, then we prove this also. Okay, you will be doing this as homework. Okay, ma? In the same way, first write the truth table. X, Y, Z. X bar plus Y, find out. X bar plus Z bar, find out. Okay, do the AND operation between these two. Then concentrate on zeros. Okay, write the corner map for 3 variables and put all the zeros. Is there any group is possible? Like that, you will be getting the result. You will be proved this also. Okay, ma? Are you understand? In this way, we are doing the problems based on 3 variable K map for POS terms. Okay, are you understand? So first try to understand the problem and think what are the given values and what are the required values. Okay, then you will be getting some idea how to do. Okay, so all of you do this problem. So in the next class, we start the 4 variable K-map. Okay, ma? All of you practice this, then only this will be very easy to do. Okay, practice is